I have a question here. In a public key system using RSA, using intercept the ciphertext C is equal to 20 is sent to a user whose public key is E is equal to 3, N is equal to 33. What is the plain text M? First of all, I write the values that are already given over here. So these are already given. Whereas on the other side, for the public key we require E and N, for the private key we require D and N. E and N are already given, we have to find D. The formulas over here are as M is equal to C raised to power D mod N, because we need M, that is the plain text M. For M we need D, and for D we have formula E inverse mod phi of N. Phi of N is also unknown, so phi of N we need P minus 1 and Q minus 1. We need to first find P and Q. For P we have to take the factors, for P and Q we have to take the factors of N, that is 33. So taking the factor 3 raised to 3 into 11 is 33, so and then we have 11 into 1 is 11. So we have the factors P as 3 and Q as 11. We can solve it as 3 minus 1 and 11 minus 1. We have 2 and 10 and 20 as phi of n. Putting this value of phi of n in the formula for the value of D, E inverse mod phi of n, E inverse E is 3, 3 inverse mod 20. We'll solve for 3 and 20 now. We'll break 3 as 6 into 3 plus 2, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, and then we will break 3 as well. So it will be 3 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. This is the extended Euclidean method. Now we will take the inverse of these, means this number 1 and 2 we will consider it. So it will be as 2 is equal to 20 minus 6 into 3. Basically what we have done, this 6 into 3 is just moved on the other side, and over here same as 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. This 2 into 1 has just been moved out to the other side. We will consider the equation that has the 1. So 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. Over here we have the 2. We can replace 2 with this equation because we have 2 is equal to 20 minus 6 into 3. So we can replace it, 3 minus 20 minus 6 into 3 into 1. So what we have done, we have just opened it up. After opening it up, we will take 6 into 3 and 3 altogether because it has a common number 3. I'm just doing over here. So 1 is equal to, I'll take the 3 common, it will be 1 plus 6 minus 20. So 1 is equal to 3, 7 minus 20. If we consider the equation, we have to do it for the 3 and 20. So over here we have 3. Any number that is multiplying with the 3 is considered as inverse of 3, and then we have this 20, we will just ignore it, and the equation for the D will be E inverse, that is 3 inverse, the equation for the D is 7. Basically the answer, we have already found out the answer. So 3 is the inverse of 7, that is equal to D. Now we have the D, we have to find the M. So here we have M is equal to C raised to power D mod N. M is equal to 20 raised to power 7 mod 33. Okay, so to solve this, what we will do, we will just take the mod of 33 for the number of times, that is power s to 7, 20 raised to power 7. So 20, this percent is basically showing mod 33, 20 33. Then we have basically broken down the power of 7. So 1 2 2 2, bases are same, power should add, so it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, so it will make 7. 20 mod 33, 20 power 2 mod 33, 20 power 2 mod 33, and 20 power 2 mod 33. So over here we will get 20 mod 33, we will just write it as it is, because we cannot find the mod of 33 for the 20, for the number of 20 we cannot find the mod of 20 because it's less than 33. So we'll just keep it as it is. We'll find out the 20 raised to power 2, that is 400 mod 33. So it will be same for every 20 raised to power 2, 400 mod 33, 400 mod 33. Now what we have to do, we have to just find out the mod of 400 with respect to 33. 31s are 33, 7 0, 33 2s are 66. So the remainder will be 4. So we have found out 20 mod 33 as it is 4 into 4 into 4. Alright, so in this case what we'll do, we'll just multiply 20, 4, 4 and 4 all together, and then we will take the mod again. So it will be 1280 mod of 33, because we haven't taken out the mod of 20 over here, so we will take the mod again. So we'll just divide it, we will get 26 as a remainder. So the remainder is basically our plain text. So this is the answer of whole question.